How to create named ranges in Excel. Here are a few ways to create named ranges in Excel. Select the cells you want to name, go to Formulas, define names, define name, and give the range a name. Select the cells, click in the name box, left of the formula bar, type the name you want to give the range, and press enter. Go to Formulas, define names, create from selection to name a selected range based on the selected cells. Use the Name Manager, Formulas, define names, Name Manager, to create, edit, delete, and manage your named ranges. Use the New Name dialog box, Ctrl plus F3 or Formulas, define names, New, to create names. Set up named ranges automatically by going to Formulas, define names, create from selection and checking the top row and left column boxes. Use named ranges in formulas instead of cell references. For example, equals sum, sales, instead of equals sum, A1 A10. Some tips for named ranges: be descriptive with names, use underscores instead of spaces. Start names with a letter or underscore, not a number or special character. Keep names unique and avoid reserved words. Reference named ranges from other sheets by using sheet name, range name.